What's going on, guys? So we kind of forgot to start recording, so this is the start of the teardown video. Whoops. So we got, you guys seen this before when I did it with my car. So we got the whole entire engine bay gutted. Those are gonna come out tomorrow when we do the interior, because it's just gonna be easier to get to those then. But all the wiring's out, all the lines are out. Tomorrow we're gonna power wash it, and then side skirt's gotta come off. Rear spat's got to come off, wing has to come off, antenna, windshield wiper, and then carpet, and then all the interior pieces like door panels and all that. And then we're going to take off all this trim too. The guy at the body shop is going to do this and the glass and this glass and the front glass, and he'll probably take off these and these. But other than that, we're good. Shouldn't take us too long tomorrow. We already got one of the seats out, the harder one. So, yeah, so tomorrow we're going to finish gutting it, and then Monday it gets picked up to go to the body shop. So, yeah, I don't know why it took Ryan so long to gut Kat's car. He should feel a little embarrassed about that. But, you know, it is what it is. Not everyone can work as good as I do, so. But yeah, so we're going to see you guys tomorrow. When we power wash it, we'll show you the difference, because it's gross down there. So, all right, see you tomorrow. Okay, so the next day, we started tearing apart the interior. Got a lot of the door stuff off. Little trim over here, rubber trim there. We got to take off all this trim and rubber molding. And this piece, I think, yeah, those are screwed in, so these all got to come out. The glass he's taking out, but yeah, we got a lot of stuff we got to do yet. So we are going to keep going and hopefully get this car gutted tonight or today, so it can get picked up tomorrow. I did fix this seat here. So this seat was missing this bar. So I tack welded in. This is my old hood prop from my Supra, and I just turned it into a seat bar. So now it can permanently be adjusted. So that got done today. We still got to remove the brake master and the slave master, and then that dust cover thingy, whatever shielding shit, and then power wash all this. Excuse me. But we're getting there. We'll probably have the interior gutted in about an hour. So, and then we can push it outside and power wash it. But okay, we're gonna keep going. All right, guys. Justin's getting underneath here to take off the master cylinder for the clutch and the brakes. Got all the interior out. Got all the wiring moved that needed to be moved. Some of this stuff the guy's going to take off at the body shop, because we don't want to leave holes anywhere since it's raining outside. And then we still got to take this outside and power wash the engine bay. But as you can see, the car used to be red like mine. But all this is going to get sprayed blue. They're going to do just like a mist, like the dealership does, like this. Oh, he needs to order these too, these little stops. Good thing those are cheap. But I'll show you guys upstairs. So everything we have up here, we still have to go through and fix some stuff. Like this needs repainted. We have NA brakes for sale. All these power steering lines, brake lines, AC lines all need cleaned like I did on my car. And then if you come up here, we have the headliner, which I know you can buy like a, let me see, let me flip this around. I know you can buy like a spray paint for carpet, so we might paint this. There's like a special liner or a paint for fabric. And then we have the whole body kit up here. Rear panel stuff and trim, all the rear seat stuff. The wing, the carpet that's getting dyed black, his titanium exhaust. Kind of have everything laid out so it's all nice and neat. So yeah, so we are almost done gutting it. so it can go to the body shop tomorrow. There's a lot of work that needs to be done though. There's some damage here and some damage right there. They screwed the spats into the side of the car, so those holes need filled. And then there's some more damage right over here. But that's the body guy's problem, not ours. So, but it'll be nice. We took off this little, so in Japan they have a little plate here. We drilled out the rivets so this could all be painted properly. And we're gonna rivet it back on with nice new rivets. But yeah, we're getting there. So the only thing left is to pull the dash out, the 2 master cylinders, power wash this, and then we're done. And then it goes to the body shop and we wait. So yeah, he's just throwing stuff now. So we're gonna continue working here, get this finished up so we can power wash it all, and then it's gonna sit outside until tomorrow. Okay, bye. All right guys, so we got everything removed, the 2 master cylinders that we were talking about earlier. Got the dash out. It actually wasn't too bad. But yeah, we got the dash out, got all the wiring just laying up there. So they're probably gonna tape all that and then just spray what they can. Yeah, so that's pretty much ready to go. Those are going to the body shop so they can fit it with the bumper and everything, which we still got to throw the front bumper in here. But yeah, we're gonna push it outside, power wash the engine bay, and then we're pretty much done. And then we're gonna relax and go get some food. So I'll show you the engine bay once we're done. All right guys, so we got his car all clean, and it's raining, so it sucked, but it's sitting over here. Let's see if I can show you. Ready to be picked up. So the tow guy's coming tomorrow to pick it up, and then Justin's gonna ride with him to the body shop, and then it gets painted. And then when it comes back, we get to put it all back together. But in the meantime, we're probably gonna have a couple videos of fixing this. That's really it, all we gotta do. And then the wiring harness, we gotta do some minor fixes. So, yep, that's gonna be it. And at some point in time, my car's gonna get done, which would be wonderful. But yeah, talk to you guys soon. See you guys soon. Appreciate you watching. Later.